All right, Luke, we're gonna install this piece of keeper. When you put the keeper on, you want to make sure you're back about 6 inches from the edge. Right here would be 6 because you got a 1/2 inch piece of plywood on the end. This is 5.5. That's an easy way to keep track of it. And you're going to just take a nail, keep it up about 1 inch away from the bottom where that is. And then you space your nails every 4 to 6 inches apart. Make sure that stays up. I always like to go about in the center. You're going to go and then just go ahead and set one again down and down. Install the next piece of keeper. So you just make sure when you set it on to the other one, you're about 1 inch lap on that. So, and then the same thing again, we're just going to nail it into place. I'll start right here. Go roughly about in the middle again. And again, we're setting the nails about 1 inch up from the break on the bottom.